Bonjour, my name is Chris Taylor and I'm the author of Above the Filtrum, a B2B sales and strategy playbook. This video will go through creating an instantly sequence and trying to get the most from it for as little spend as possible, really. With Instantly, it has got its own Copilot feature which can help you. But then the main focus for this video will be going through the email. So you set up your own inboxes, you just press add new. You can link it to your existing. There might be some pre-warmed, or you can get them to do it for you. It takes a couple of days. You can buy 3 or 4 different inboxes, and it'll just stop you getting spam grief in your own company inbox, which is decent. The system does the warm up for you, so it sends itself emails to make sure you don't end up in spam. And then really we just need to build the sequence. So you can pull your list from in here as well, but you can also add data to it. And if we have a look at one of my sequences I've already done, we can see this is a sequence for care software. It's done 114 emails in the last few weeks. It's got a decent reply rate, so 7 replies from 114 emails. And the way it works, because it's a text email rather than HTML, like you'd get in MailChimp and things like that, we can just be ourselves, really, and that's what I try and aim to do. So it's a little bit fiddly to get a good signature in, so kind of bear that in mind. And obviously you've probably seen these emails coming into you as well, but I try and have a bit of fun with it and just be myself and that sort of thing then. So just resonate call to action. We've had lots of positive response to this one. You can tailor how many it sends a day and that sort of thing. It's really, really easy to use. And yeah, it's not too expensive either. If you've got any questions or like a little bit more of a run through, reach out and let me know. Otherwise, buy the book. Cheers, guys.